turned on. So we have the boxes, the blinking red lights to talk through, which you've used before. Like again, the meter there on the floor, blink it once for no and twice for yes. Do you want us to go home? No? Well, that's good. Thank you. We enjoyed talking to you.
Make a smile.
Do you enjoy when people come to visit? Great.
Yes, that's good. Are you the lady that doesn't like the heavy feet on the stairs? Are you the one that keeps on saying, pick up your feet? Yes or no? Like stomach. Yes. Wow.
No wonder
Thank you
she's
very
at the bottom
much.
of the stairs.
Thank you.
Understandable.
Well, we apologize if we're too loud. It's not intentional. And I have you many times saying, pick up your feet. And you know there's days I've been here I've actually apologized going up the stairs or down it if I get too loud. Lately I try to take the elevator just because of that. I just saw something move by my leg. I thought you moved your... Did you move your foot at all?
I did this about a minute ago.
No, it wasn't that. I mean, it was like real soon. As soon as I said that, I said
No.
no. So that was weird. I thought of something just went by my leg. Is it the kitty cat? Is the kitty cat here?
The millimeter keeps going 0.1 over there at the door.
Yeah, I'm wondering if the cat's going back and forth because I just saw something that was like almost like a white, and I'm looking, you didn't have white socks or anything like that. It just went right by my knee. I mean, it went right by here. Is the kitty cat here? Oh, it is.
Yes.
Oh.
What did she say?
It beat twice. It went yes. Here, kitty, 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 kitty.
Oh, nice.
What's the kitty cat's name?
I got 2 cats at home, so I like cats. So the cat, he can show himself to me anytime. I have not seen this cat. Everybody else has but me that works here, so. You even showed yourself in front of my wife one day when she came to visit. Yeah, that's true.
Does Kitty like to hang out in your room? My room? Is that what that is?
That's what it sounded like. Is the cat your pet, or has it always been here? Sorry, that's like a double question. Is the cat your pet?
Do you like talking to us?
Good.
Aww.
We like talking to you too.
We like
That's
you
nice.
too.
Wow. I'm glad you're happy.
That's cool.
No?
Yeah, PX over here said no. Someone's not happy, but someone over here is happy. So, sorry I can't keep you all happy, but... Dweeb. That's what it sounded like.
You!
You guys like picking on me, don't you?
Talking to us?
It said yes every time we've asked that question.
Enthusiastically.
Yeah. That's great.
Will we be able to talk to you when we're not here anymore in this house?
Dweeb again, and Jeremy said dweeb and mine said dweeb earlier. Do you follow me at home anytime? I'm just curious, do you follow me at home? Yes or no? Yes, you do. I thought so.
You can't follow me.
There's been times I think you followed me home from the museum, and sure enough, thank you. Do you go and visit my kids? Do you say hello to my daughter and son? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Well, try not to scare them. So far, they're not too scared. So. It's interesting. We had an EVP in that session at my house 2 months ago, and there was 3 replies. I think it was Becky's recorder. And we said, "Why are you here?" One said visiting, one said my house, and the other one said Mike's here. So.
Video information. Yes.
I bet are you the one that taps me on the shoulder when I'm listening to EVPs? When I'm listening to the recordings to hear your voices? Do you visit and tap me on the shoulder to let me know you're here? I guess not. Okay, well, that's
I
good.
heard something outside of the door over there.
Could we take your picture? Could we take your picture by the piano? Would you pose? Do we have your permission to take a picture of you?
Your family holiday muse.
Feels like a holiday.
Yeah.
My family. Yourself.
Muse ourselves. Yeah, it said muse prior and then it says yourselves.
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to take a picture of you. This is- What did he say?
2 people came in.
Says next, right after the picture.
Do you like my class? My students who are here, do you like them?
Yes. Wow.
Thank
That's
you.
awesome. There's 7 of us in this room. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes.
Yes.
Wow.
You're good at math.
Yes. That was awesome. Thank you very much.